All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. You are welcome. What we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns jamb, admission, WAEC, NECO, and all schools post UTME update, all right, and all schools admission update. All right, so if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that when I drop any update, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out, because I always drop update for all my subscribers. All right, so if you notice, if you look at today, our topic for today, you will see that what is there is actually list of courses offered in Federal University of Technology, Owerri, popularly known as FUTO. All right, so that's what we're going to talk about today. The reason I'm doing this thing is because some of my candidates were asking me the list of courses. All right, if I can be able to do a content, a compiled list of FUTO courses. All right, so that's basically the reason why I'm here to give them the list. All right, so, and I promise all my subscribers on YouTube that whatsoever information or whatsoever question my candidates I receive from them, I will definitely have to come here and answer all of the questions so that everybody, all my subscribers, will also learn from that. All right, so having said that, let me introduce you quickly to our WhatsApp group. All right, so we have a WhatsApp group. It is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidate. Of course, you yourself can become one of our member. All right, so the only way you can become one of our member is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp group. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. You message me on WhatsApp, then after getting to know you, I would definitely have to add you into our WhatsApp group. All right, so there in our WhatsApp group, we have access to many things, even the ongoing NECO post exams answers. You have access to it free of charge, and a whole lot of other things that you get from there. All right, so let's get right to the video, because I don't want this video to be long. All right, so let me start. Please pardon me, you can get a pen and paper if you can actually get all the courses offered. You can actually get a pen and paper where you can write it down. Right, so I will start from the first one on our list is agricultural economics. All right, so FUTO offers agricultural economics. Next one is agricultural engineering. Next one is agriculture. All right, next one on our list is animal science and technology. Please pay attention so you know your course. All right, if your course is among the list, if you are aspiring for Federal University of Technology, Owerri, this is very, very important for you. All right, so the next one is after animal science and technology, the next one is architecture. All right, so after architecture, the next one is biochemistry. After biochemistry, we will have biological sciences. All right, after biological sciences, we will have biology. After biology, we have biomedical engineering. After biomedical engineering, we have biotechnology. After biotechnology, we have building technology. After building technology, we have chemical engineering. After chemical engineering, we have chemistry. After chemistry, we have civil engineering. After civil engineering, we have computer engineering. After computer engineering, we have computer science. After computer science, we have crop science and technology. After crop science and technology, we have cyber security. After cyber security, we have cyber security science. After cyber security science, we have dental technology. After dental technology, we have electrical engineering. All right, so after electrical engineering, that is popularly known as elect, which is electrical and electronics engineering. All right, so after that, we have entrepreneurship and innovation. The next one on our list is environmental health science. While the next one is environmental management, followed by fisheries and aquaculture. All right, next one, food science and technology. Next one, forensic science. Next one, forestry and wildlife technology. Alright, we are going. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Right, so like this video so our YouTube algorithm we suggest the video to other persons out there that's equally looking for this. Alright, so just like the video. If you have anything you want me to do on for you, let me know in the comment section. But if you don't have anything, you can leave a comment by saying thank you. Alright, you can leave a comment by saying thank you, Brainybite. Anyone that is precisely for you. All right, so let's get right. So the next one is geology. We have geology as the next one, while the next one is history and international studies. All right, the next one is human physiology. That's the next one. Then the next one is information technology. The next one is logistics and transportation technology, while the next one is mathematics. After mathematics, we have mechanical engineering. After mechanical engineering, we have mechatronics engineering. After mechatronics engineering, we have medicine and surgery. After medicine and surgery, we have metallurgical and materials engineering. After metallurgical and materials engineering, we have microbiology. After microbiology, we have optometry. After optometry, we have petroleum engineering. After petroleum engineering, we have physics. After physics, we have polymer and textile engineering. After polymer and textile engineering, we have project management technology. After project management technology, we have prosthesis and orthopedic technology. Prosthesis and orthopedic technology. After that, we have public health technology. After public health, of course, we have quantity surveying. After quantity surveying, we have radiography. After radiography, we have science laboratory technology. After SLT, which is science laboratory technology, we have software engineering. After software engineering, we have soil science and technology. After soil science and technology, we have statistics. After statistics, we have supply chain management. After supply chain management, we have surveying and geoinformatics. After that, we have telecommunication engineering. And the last on our list remains urban and regional planning. All right, so this is how I'll be ending this video for today. All right, so if you have listened from the very beginning to the very last, I believe your course is here. If your course is not here, also let me know in the comment section. All right, so let's see if we're actually missing anything. All right, so thank you all. Thank you for being with us from the beginning and to the very last side of this video. All right, so this will be ending this video again. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. All right, thank you all. Until I see you again in my next video. Keep winning.